Hi everyone, thanks for coming in my channel. In this episode, I would like to tell you about how to make unique and philosophic bookshelf on the wall. First of all, you have to make existing of the wall. You have to make the wall with a rotated rectangle. You can set the width of the wall is 150 millimeter, and you have to make it higher. Okay, you can set the wall height is around 3000 millimeter right here. Okay. After that, you have to make a basic shape. You have to make a basic line of the bookshelf. You can use this line. You can use line right here, and after that you can duplicate it in right side of this line. Okay, after that you can draw the line right here, maybe like right here. You can draw the line right here. You can see, you can adjust the line like this. You can move it a little bit. You can move a little bit on the right side anyway, maybe something like this. Okay, after that you have to make a, maybe you can move this little bit on left side, and you can connect this roof and bottom line right here, and you can make it more curvy with a 2-point arc. You can select 2-point arc right here, and then you can adjust it to make it more curvy, and you can also adjust it to make more curvy. Okay, something like this. Then you can add a 2-point arc like this. You can connect between both of line right here. You can smooth this line by type number and press S and just click it. Okay, this is a basic shape of the unique bookshelf or philosophic bookshelf. Now you can offset it. You can now offset it using offset tools and just set it right here. If you feel it uh, unproportional, you can adjust it more. Anyway, you can adjust it more. You can adjust this bottom line to the left side more, something like this. And you can repeat the step, and you can repeat the first step. You can repeat the previous step anyway. Maybe you have to move this a little bit on a end of curve line, and you can adjust it again because it need to trial and error of this on this case. Okay, after that you can adjust again. You can offset again with a offset tool, and you can see it. Or maybe it you can feel about the proportional, right? You can feel the proportional of the line, and so you can adjust again the line. You can adjust this line again. Maybe something like this. You have to make a 2-point arc again, and you have to adjust 2-point arc again, and maybe you should make it lower than before by just click this 2-point arc and adjust, make it lower than before, and you have to offset it. Okay, maybe you can offset it again, maybe something like this. Okay, I think it's enough. Then you have to make a more longer line than before. Okay, you can see the difference between now and previous object, so you can feel the proportional of this bookshelf. Okay, now you can adjust again this line. Okay, now you can maybe you can adjust it anyway with this scale. You can use the scale to adjust only top of object right here, and you can make it more curvy than before with a 2-point arc, and just delete unnecessary or extended line anyway. Okay, after that you have to make a duplicate of it. You have to make a duplicate of the birth of plane. You can duplicate it in front of the object. The behind plane are to make backdrop area, backdrop object. You can do this for the bottom object also anyway. Then this front object are to make a cover, to make a cover, bookshelf cover anyway. Okay, so you can adjust it, you can move it on behind object, right? Then you can push it in until it gonna be more longer than before. Maybe it's around 300 millimeter, right? Okay, maybe it's around 300 millimeter. Then you can offset it. You can offset it, and maybe it's around 20 millimeter, and you have to move it on behind. Then you will do the same method. You could do the same of previous method, and anyway, then you have to make some shelf in this object. As you know that this object are used to a bookshelf, then you have to make some shelf right here. Then you can duplicate some shelf with a move and press Ctrl anyway. Then you can duplicate it again on a bottom position, right, like this. You can repeat the method. Something like this, and you can adjust the end of check, and you can make it more. You can make it again and again. You can repeat again and again about the bookshelf right here. So it will look more representative as a bookshelf design anyway. Okay, something like this. Okay, after that you have to make proper material like this. You have to make a proper material. Maybe you should just some shelf that can make it more representative. That can make it more representative anyway. Maybe something like this. Okay, maybe for the illustration, for the complete representation, you have to make some book in here. Maybe you can adjust it. You can move and rotate, or you can make a different scale between each book, or you can do anything or make it more look like a realistic condition of this bookshelf anyway. Maybe something like this. You can adjust it by yourself. You can feel about the real condition of a bookshelf anyway. Maybe you can add some colors to make it more representative. Maybe you can make some color with something like this, and you can see it. It will be different condition of this bookshelf. Maybe it will be different condition if you take some color to make it more colorful and make it more representative. Okay, you can duplicate it on another side anyway, be on the side on the side. Okay, you can do it by using move and press control tools in SketchUp. Okay, maybe okay. You can add in this space to make more dramatic visual. Okay, you can make it more dramatic visual like this maybe, or you can adjust the position of each book anyway in the situation. Maybe you can move it something like this. You can do this so it more make sensational visual in this 3D modeling. Okay, you can do this and you can make it explode and make it group, so you can easily to move it and mirror it. You can flip it along with a red direction. Okay, maybe this is a for a simple method to make a philosophical bookshelf on a wall. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be benefit for all of you, and wait for my next video about SketchUp modeling. Thank you.